Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Hyundai Veloster 2016, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the wheel bearing or the hub, which is this one, the rear one. As you can see in my previous videos, how to take off the rotors, caliper brakes, brake pads and everything. So this time I'm going to start the video from here. So let's get started. As you can see, this bearing is completely rusted. The bolted joints are completely rusted. However, it is just superficial rust. I'm just taking them off. It's just 4 of them to release the bearing, which is this one. And let's keep doing it. This is a nut 13 or ½ inch. Let's check for this one. Last one. There we go. So we put this back on its place. Okay, this is a new one here from brokeauto.com. Let's check it out. Let's install it. Right, let's put the rotor. Let's put the caliper bracket. Nut number 14. Let's put back the brake pads. Brembo brake pads. Let's put back the caliper. Alright, and that's it. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.